Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia. If this is your first time coming to my channel, you're highly welcome. Today is a recipe cook with me or cooking video. Okay guys, today I'm going to be making egg sauce with tuna fish. Okay guys, okay guys, let me just introduce you to the ingredient what we are going to be using. So we'll start with egg because it's egg sauce. So we've got some eggs there. I'm going to be using 2 chopped tomato. Okay, I'm going to be using some chopped red onion. It's purple color but it's called red onion. Red onion chopped already, 1. 2 chicken non-cube, some curry powder, some paprika, garam masala, chili pepper, season oil. Okay, going to be using some garlic and ginger. Okay, some salt, some minced pepper, frozen, but you can buy fresh one and slice them. Okay, and then of course I got my tuna fish in water or in brim. I'm not going to be using the whole of this. So tuna fish in brim or water. Okay, let's get cooking guys. Okay guys, so I got 9 eggs in here. You can use less if you want, if you're not cooking for a lot of people, but I got 9 eggs here, so I'm just going to whisk the egg together. Okay, if you don't have a whisk, you can use your fork to do this. So you just whisk it together. Okay guys, so I got my oil here heated already, so I'm going to start by adding a bit of salt. I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon. It's not up to a teaspoon, it's like a half a teaspoon. Then I'm going to be adding my chopped onion. Then I'm going to be adding the mixed peppers. Just going to allow this to cook for like 2 minutes. Just give it a stir. Now we're going to be adding our spices. So I'm going to start with season oil, just 1 of this little spoon. Paprika, 1 spoon. Garam masala, 1 spoon. Curry powder, 1 spoon. Just give it a stir. So now we're going to be adding our chopped tomato. Give it a stir. Then we are going to be adding our ginger and garlic. And also our chili powder. If you don't like chili, please skip this part. Just 1 spoon. I'm going to stir it, and then afterwards cover it and leave it for like 3 to 4 minutes, and then we'll come and add the egg and the tuna fish. Before we do that, let me add the seasoning cube. Okay, let me add the seasoning cube so we can just stir it one more time, and then we'll cover it and leave it for 3 to 4, between 4 to 5 minutes. Not too long, just somewhere around that time. So I'm using the 2 of them. Give it a quick stir. And then we're going to cover it and leave it for 4 to 5 minutes. Okay. Okay guys, so we're going to be adding the egg now. I'm going to be adding the egg and the tuna fish. Just give it a stir first. The egg. And then I'm going to be adding the tuna fish. This tuna fish is in brim, in water, brim, not the one in sunflower oil, the one in water or in brim. And then I'm going to give it a stir. I'm going to be cooking this on a low heat. So I'm going to stir it now and then cover it and leave it for like 5 minutes and come back and give it another stir. Okay guys, so let's cover it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it, comment, subscribe. Okay guys, we'll give it a stir now. It's nearly ready. Going to give it a stir and leave it. I'm going to increase the heat now to a medium heat. Leave it for like another 5 minutes, and I'll show you guys how it looks like when it's ready. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share it, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell if you enjoy watching to get notified when I post a new video. Okay guys, my egg sauce is ready, as you can see. So we're going to use to eat rice. You can use this to eat plantain, yam, rice, what else, couscous, plain couscous if you want, bread, and what else, yeah, that's it. Or you can eat it on its own. So let me serve it and show you in the plate. Please give this video a thumbs up guys. Okay guys, so this is my food. You can see I'm having it with rice, some fried plantain, mixed veg, and that's the egg sauce there. Okay guys, yeah, so it's ready now. Okay, so that's it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.